Goes chronologically. I'm not really great. You guys worked so well. I can fly. Jasmine, sorry.
So we now have a press conference myself, and 5 minutes after.
We're good. You guys do everything we're ready. Don't you down there? I see already. So you guys down
Uma foto pro Brasil?
This is my first festival. I've been in this is my dark night, and I wasn't there. So this is my first flight to I was mostly in the theater before I left the States. That's where I started. I've been on every theatrical festival, like pretty much every award. I did actually but I wasn't here. They sent me the video that was pretty spectacular. I was like, You guys did something new this year, yeah? Is the new screen or something? But it's the same size, yeah? It's even a little bit bigger. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. Jasmine was somebody posted some beautiful shots on the story, and I reposted it online. Some beautiful shots. It looks stunning. The chairs in there, yeah, it's. Have time to see that city. One day yesterday. Yeah. It's an hour drive.
Allora dimmi come.
There's a restaurant right at the edge of the river. You saw my yeah, you should see it there. Porco Peric. Pa ta staklana ređa što ste instalirali.
Finish.